She was alone in the room, and somehow I knew that in time I would fall for that look on her face. What I do to embrace you tonight, and watch the dark turn into light. I can't believe I was raised